First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, if you're traveling around South Central Kentucky this morning, or maybe headed for a flight out of Nashville International, you're going to run into a little bit of rain. It's mostly light rain and sprinkles showing up on First Alert Live Doppler radar this morning. Got a little batch of light rain pulling through the Bowling Green area right now, and then another line of showers back here to the west. That's the actual disturbance, and that's the last piece of energy that's going to come through with this particular system. Once we get that out of the way, which will be later this morning or midday, then things should start to improve as far as the weather here over the next few days. Through the weekend looking really nice, but it is cooler. 54 the current temperature rating right now in Bowling Green. As we check some Mesonet sites, first of all, our hometown forecast before we go to the Mesonet. 62 our high today, maybe for Campbellsville and for Greensburg. 63 today for Columbia. Noticeably cooler with the clouds and the showers around the Green River Lake area. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot now estimated to be at $186 million for the Saturday night drawing. Mega Millions now at an estimated $37 million. Now here's a look at some of the Mesonet sites, and we did have a little bit of rain overnight and early this morning. Columbia picked up 0.08 of an inch of rain, 0.04 Campbellsville, 0.06 for Edmonton and Burkesville, 0.04 down in Albany, 0.02 just within the last few minutes in Franklin, 1/100th of an inch of rain in Russellville, and that's with that little batch of showers now moving in to the Bowling Green area. Cooler off to the northwest of us. Temperatures in the upper 40s this morning, but mainly in the 50s, even upper 50s, the further south and east you go across southern Kentucky. Here is a live view down Scottsville Road, getting wet streets once again thanks to that little batch of light rain that is moving in. 54 the current temperature with a north-northwest wind at 5, 94% humidity, and the barometer beginning to rise. Here is the view from Franklin, and the rain is coming down now there in Simpson County. Your temperature at 53 degrees, and so far now you've picked up 0.02 of an inch of rain just like that. As we go to Litchfield, it's pretty quiet there, but cloudy. Your temperature 50 degrees up in Grayson County, 55 at the airport. Look at the cooler 40s to the north, even some 30s off to the north and west of us. You think it's going to get cool here. Downright cold in the central part of the country, all the way to the Rockies. Temperatures there only in the 30s in most cases. Notice the drop in temperature since the cold front yesterday. Columbus, Ohio, 21 degrees chillier this morning than at this hour yesterday. We're 9 degrees cooler. Even Memphis, Tennessee is 6 degrees cooler than yesterday at this hour. Radar over the last 12 hours showing the front east of us, but this is a piece of energy, a disturbance that is still moving through parts of the Wabash River Valley, the Ohio River Valley. Once we get this out of here, and it should be about midday, late morning to midday, then that'll be the end of any kind of shower activity for us here in southern Kentucky as this whole system begins to move away from us. Skies may even begin to clear up a little bit this afternoon before sunset. We could work in a little bit of sun. Overnight tonight, clear, cool, calm winds, high pressure overhead. Perfect setup for some fog, I think, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, so use caution if you're going to be out tonight or early tomorrow. A beautiful day tomorrow across the area with lots of sunshine, pleasant highs in the 60s. Here comes our reinforcing shot of cooler air with this front on Saturday, and I think some of our northwestern counties near the Ohio River could actually pick up on a little bit of light rainfall, but not everybody is going to see that on Saturday. Morning showers, then giving way to afternoon clearing today. 63 will be your high. Then for tonight, a chilly 42 under a clear sky with that fog developing, especially where it rains today. 68 sunny, beautiful tomorrow. Saturday, some clouds, maybe a passing shower for the 10K Classic, but still great conditions for the runners. 64, 65 Sunday. Near 70 Monday. That's as warm as we get throughout the 7-day period. Another shot of cooler air Tuesday into Wednesday. And that is when we're going to talk about maybe the first frost of the season.